Welcome to this guide on how to search for archived messages on LinkedIn. If you've ever lost track of important conversations, you'll be pleased to know that LinkedIn makes it easy to find those archived messages. Let's walk through the steps together. First, open the LinkedIn app on your device. Make sure you're logged into your account so you can access your messages seamlessly. Next, look at the top corner of the app where you'll find the messaging icon. It resembles an envelope or speech bubble, and clicking on it will take you directly to your messaging interface. Once you're in the messaging section, click on the search bar located at the top. This is where you can type in keywords related to the conversation you're trying to find. It could be the name of a person or a specific topic discussed in your messages. After entering your search terms, it's time to refine your results. Look for the option labeled Archived. By selecting this, you'll filter your search to show only those messages that have been archived. This step is crucial as it helps narrow down your options and saves you time. Finally, scroll through the list of archived messages that appear. You can easily locate the conversation you need by browsing through this filtered view. If necessary, use specific keywords again to pinpoint your search even further. And there you have it. By following these simple steps, opening the LinkedIn app, clicking on the messaging icon, using the search bar, and selecting Archived, you can efficiently find any important conversations that may have slipped through the cracks. Remember, archiving messages is a great way to keep your inbox organized without permanently deleting important information. Happy searching!